Have you ever taken an SBB ASCP practice exam and felt totally shocked by how different it was from the real thing? That's one of the biggest mistakes many test takers make. They rely on generic study tests that don't actually match the ASCP exam format. If you're preparing for the Specialist in Blood Banking ASCP certification, you need resources that feel authentic. Today, I'm reviewing the 3 best SBB ASCP practice exam resources. These are the ones that truly replicate the style, difficulty, and question types of the real test. And yes, we'll also look at MLSIAcademy, the most complete SBB prep program available. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which practice exams will give you the confidence and accuracy you need on test day. So let's get started. Number 3. Board Vitals SBB ASCP Practice Exam. Board Vitals is a well-known brand in medical certification prep. Their SBB ASCP practice exam offers timed simulations for real test pacing. Questions are peer-reviewed by professionals in blood banking and transfusion services. The analytics tool shows category strengths and weaknesses after each session. The limitation is that some explanations feel too brief for deeper learning. It's still a solid starting point for exam-style practice. Number 2. ASCP Online Practice Tests. The official ASCP practice exams give you an inside feel. These are created by the same organization that runs the certification. Practicing here ensures identical formatting and interface to the real exam. The strength is familiarity. You know exactly how the exam will display. However, the question sets are limited and may feel repetitive after a few runs. There are no extended rationales, so they are better for exam rehearsal, not deep review. Number 1. SBB ASCP Practice Exam from MLSIAcademy. This is the most comprehensive and realistic option for serious candidates. The MLSIAcademy platform goes far beyond just practice questions. It offers live online classes taught by expert instructors. All sessions are recorded, so you can review on your schedule. There's a complete no-fluff study guide ebook that filters key content. You also receive a personalized study plan that ensures structured preparation. A unique action plan helps you understand how to pass the ASCP exam efficiently. But the biggest strength is the 4 types of question banks. You get access to Quick Q and AMP, A for memory practice. Focused quizzes for specific topic mastery. Full-length practice exams to simulate endurance. And mock exams designed to feel exactly like test day. The combination creates not just practice, but a real exam environment from start to finish. That's why MLSIAcademy stands out as the number 1 choice for anyone preparing for the SBB ASCP exam. Let's recap. Board Vitals is strong for analytics-driven practice. ASCP official practice tests give you the exact interface experience. And MLSIAcademy provides the most complete, realistic, and structured practice exam package. If you're ready to make your preparation feel just like the real test, MLSIAcademy should be at the top of your list. In the next video, we'll look at how to use an SBB ASCP mock exam step by step to check your readiness. You don't want to miss that breakdown. If this video was useful, subscribe to the channel for more ASCP prep strategies. Drop a comment if you've tried any of these SBB ASCP practice exam resources. And let's make sure you walk into test day with total confidence.